Hey guys, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and we are back again with another tutorial for our Ahrefs series. And today we are yet again focusing on another free SEO tool that Ahrefs is offering. And here you go. These are the tools that we have been working on for the past couple of days. These are specifics for keyword research, link building, as well as SERP and ranking insights. And there are also third-party tools that Ahrefs offer. But for today, we are going to check on this one, the Keyword Rank Checker, and see how this tool works. So as you have probably noticed, we have been going on and on about keyword tools, and this is because keyword is really one of the most important factors when you're doing any type of content or if you want to rank high in let's say search engine results. So keyword plays a huge part, and this is why we are showing you tools that you can utilize if you want to improve your SEO performance. So as you can see here, if you scroll down below, it defines what a keyword rank checker is. So Ahrefs is claiming that by using this tool, they have incorporated three core tools that they are offering. So as you can see here, we are working with keywords, domain, as well as filtering the country that you want to target. So that's a good thing about the keyword rank checker. Aside from it's completely free, you are also able to utilize these three features and come up with a result that is relevant to your search. So Site Explorer, Rank Tracker, and Keywords Explorer are some of the main core tools that Ahrefs offer, along with these other ones. And as for the Keyword Rank Checker, if you are signed up or if you have an account with Ahrefs and you utilize this tool, you will be given this sort of dashboard or results page, and we will be going on to check that in a bit. But for now, we just want to give this a quick run through and see what we can expect, or so I can give you an idea of what you can expect when you sign up for Ahrefs. So, for example, this one, get detailed ranking reports for up to 10,000 keywords. So that's extremely useful, no doubt. And this is what you will be getting: visibility, average position, traffic, SERP features, and positions. So it's a very, very useful tool, as well as all the results. They are very accurate, as Ahrefs is undoubtedly one of the best SEO tools in the market out there. So that's it for the information attached to this tool. Let's go on ahead and check the tool itself. So as I have shown you earlier, that's something you can expect if you are signed up for an account here in Ahrefs. But if you're like me and I don't have an account and I just want to check the tools first and see what it offers, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and enter a keyword. I'm thinking of streaming, any domain related to that, maybe youtube.com, and then just gonna leave this in the United States for the filter. Got that. So this shows the current position for YouTube, which is on the 28th. 28th in terms of ranking. Well, I expected it to be higher. This is YouTube TV, by the way. But Yeah, I've just noticed that I use the word streaming and YouTube is not really for that purpose. Maybe HBO, Hulu. Oh yeah, here we go. So these are the top ones: Hulu, um, HBO, Netflix, of course. But at least you can see here that YouTube is still on the 28th position, as well as you get the Ahrefs rank, domain rating, URL rating, backlinks, domains, traffic, as well as keywords. Tool is useful, for example, because if you do this in simply in a search engine, you would have to type in everything manually and search for them manually as well. But if you're using the keyword rank checker of Ahrefs, you would be able to get results right away without too much effort on your end, and you will be getting um, relevant and extremely accurate results, which can help you in whatever SEO task that you need. So, as you can see, Ahrefs SEO, free SEO tools are very powerful, considering they are free. So, what more, right, if you sign up with them? So definitely do consider that. But for now, that's it for us for the keyword rank checker tutorial. We hope to see you again on our next videos as we will be making quite a lot for Ahrefs because they are offering a lot of tools. And we want you to learn about them so it can help you with your SEO task and improve your performance. So see you guys again next time.